Garage clutch kits. He loves it.
Guys, you guys asked to see comparison on my clutch kits. That red one is stock tires. He has Redneck Garage Stage 1 clutch kit, stock tires. Nothing special done, no exhaust, no nothing, all stock. Just the only thing changed was clutches. So let's see what that is gonna entail.
I think I got it.
But yeah, we're doing it again. That was high range, two-wheel drive. Now, the red one is stock. The gray one has my clutch kit in it, and this one, of course, is all kinds of beefed up. Follow the channel for all the videos that I've done on this. There's nothing stock on this thing. It's got intake mods, tunes, you name it, and I was right with that stock 950. So tell me again how 950 is more capable. We're going, the second time is low range two-wheel drive. We'll see. I think we're gonna end up spinning a lot. So you know what? Let's make it low range four-wheel. Redneck Garage, built to the hill. 800, baby. 800EX. Everything under the sun done. Silver 950, Redneck Garage Stage 1 clutch kit. Of course he wiped our rear ends with it, because he's got an engine with more power with my clutch kit. The stock 950, we're right there with each other every time. That 950 action. You got some Z950 action, you got some Redneck Garage clutch kit action, and you got some Redneck Garage whole custom buggy action with the custom 800EX. Now you cannot tell me that that thing ain't bad to the bone and will do anything and everything that you want it to. She handles the trails quite well. And if you're new to the channel, I really recommend you go back through my whole channel and watch that build, because it has stage 4 John Hester Elka shocks. You can only get the shocks that I have through John Hester. They're custom to him. They're not the off-the-shelf Elka, and he has really good pricing. So check him out for all of your Elka needs and tell him Redneck Garage sent you. I'm not paid or endorsed by him in any means at all. It's just my honest opinion. My 800 has Redneck Garage clutch kit in it, got a Helix in it, custom roll cage. It's got a custom intake on it. It's got a custom stereo. It's got 28-inch tires. It's got a ton of stuff. Rock sliders, high clearance control arms, front and rear. Yes, I know you can't buy the rears anymore. I'm sorry, but if we hound them, maybe we can get them, but I don't know, because CF Moto is changing the body style. I don't know if they're changing the frame, but they're definitely changing the body style on it. So we'll see. I'll bring you guys up to date once I know more on that. And the wife's 500 is hanging in there very well. So without further ado, let's get into some riding footage and watch my 800 just fly through these trails. And keep in mind, I'm being very easy on it because I have a passenger, a young passenger, our youngest son. So I'm being easy with it. I didn't go straight up ham, but I'm still rocking and rolling. I want to thank you guys for watching.